What is going on today, guys? I hope you all are having an absolutely beautiful day. It's actually pretty decent in Colorado. It started the day not warm. Today we are going off to Adam's Polishes because they're doing a customer appreciation free barbecue event. And I like free food, and I also have a couple things that I didn't buy at the tent sale because I just forgot about it. So I'm gonna head off there. I'm meeting a couple people there, but we should get going because it started 5 minutes ago and I'm 35 minutes away. That's how this goes. First things first, as always, we're gonna do a cold start. Meh. On today's episode of Bad Design Choices, the Mini Cooper branded water bottle doesn't fit in the Mini Cooper cup holder securely, and it flops around, and when I shift, my hand hits it. If I go into fifth, my hand's hitting it. This is a terrible design. These cup holders are a terrible design, I should say. I'm gonna see if I can't get a parking spot somewhere up here. I highly doubt I'll be able to, considering how busy it is. But if I can, ooh, that's a nice bug. That's a nice bug. If I can go, I know him. Yeah, if I can get a parking spot up here, that'll make me happy. Hello, GT500. And ladies and gentlemen, we have made it to the Adam's Polishes barbecue, just customer appreciation event. C8, nice. Okay, there's a lot more things here than I thought. Nice. I like this GT86 a lot. Oh no, it's an FRS. It's on gram lights too, which is really nice. 3 R32s? 4? I'm just a huge fan of these old muscle cars. That's just my thing.
That fits really nice.
Huh.
Under the strut tower and everything. That fits really nice. Like it looks stock.
Yeah.
Yeah, half the cylinders behind the front axle. Oh, actually,
yeah.
it just looks
more than half.
Yeah.
Like, I had to take a double take. I'm like, wait, is this? Huh.
Like, I kind of want reliability.
Nice. So I'm gonna go check to see if they have the door busters for what I'm looking for, because I'm looking for a micro swirl killer, and I need some strip wash. I don't think they'll have that, but they might have a couple of the micro swirl killers left, and I do need some of those.
Oh, that's it. That was a good condition too, bro.
Yeah. I mean, this will definitely be better than using just a full size like something.
For $30, bro?
Yeah, for $30. Oh, I think this one's in better condition. Yeah, the hard part is getting the cable out now.
Yeah, they're all tabled down. This one like.
So set this one on the ground. Oh, that loosened it up. This was $30 for what looks to be a brand new condition Swirl Killer Mini. It's not quite the Swirl Killer I was looking for, but it's $30. And it's smaller than the one I have. Yeah, I'll take this for $30. Yeah, I mean, yeah, it works. I just tested it just to make sure, and it fired right up, so I think most of them will work, I'd assume.
I would imagine.
I'd hope so, at least. Yep. Okay, so I got these. Now I have to get some pads for that and some strip wash because I need that for actually washing my car. I got a C8 in here sitting on Boston's, and it looks so good. I absolutely love this car. Okay, I got everything I need. I'm gonna go drop these in my car and then hunt down the people I was here with because I have no clue where they would have gone. I was in there for a lot longer than I thought I would be. But I do need to drop these in my car first because it's a little heavy. And I don't want to have to carry it around while I'm doing everything else. And then I'm gonna get food because I'm hungry. There we go. Okay, I have a little bit of time. I can show you all around a little bit. Just so many cool cars here, it's insane. I am a big fan of cars. There is no specific car that I like. There's a lot of cars I like more than others, but like I like most everything. This guy's got a Cobra for his Cobra. That's awesome. I wonder if I could get them to wash my car, because it looks like they're washing cars here. I was like driving mine up, I'm like, do mine next. Slowly working my way through the food line. There we go. Got myself some food. Is he gonna make that front corner? There we go. I love that the rev counter on that is inside the hood.
Yeah, it's half.
Yeah. Noise of an old carbureted engine. I actually really like the wheels on this. Wow. These are great. I think if it's on air, I think it's on air. I'm gonna assume it's on air. I think I've seen this guy at Lafayette a couple times. I'm not certain how I'm gonna get out of here. I know that car. Because suddenly everybody just decided to show up again. But I'm heading out because I'm gonna try, oh, damn it, that's good. I'm gonna try and we're putting ADD. Yeah, he's on air. That's sick. I'm putting cabinets in at the house so that I can have all my detailing supplies organized. I'll also show you what he got when I get home. So I will pick it up if something interesting happens or when I get home. Okay, we made it back to the house. Now that we are back home, I'm going to be, with the help of my dad, taking this and turning this into like an actual cabinet spot with all my detailing stuff that doesn't look like this, because this looks terrible and is not very functional either. Theoretically, all my detailing stuff that extends all the way through should fit in one cabinet, hopefully. Check it out. There is now nothing in this space except for our cornhole. But I can step where my detailing stuff was and there's no space. My dad is working on putting together the cabinet itself. We're gonna put it in place. I'm gonna load everything into it that was once on the other one. So this new cabinet is taller than this one by like a decent amount, I'm pretty sure. And it's deeper and I think wider, maybe, a little bit. Not certain on that one. And sturdier, so it should be a lot better. Oh, oh, oh. There you go, looks like we got it pretty much level, I think. Yep, level. Which means I can start loading this with the gallons of fluid at the bottom. I might have a lot of detailing stuff, as well as that over there. So what I'm doing right now is I'm cleaning out these, because my plan is to put towels in these two buckets, like interior in one and exterior in the other, or something like that. But if you see in there, they're disgusting, and I don't want to put towels in that, so I'm cleaning them out with paper towels first. Okay, there we go. So this one is going to be my interior towels. I've only got 2 that are clean right now, because the rest of them are all right there. So that's going to be interior because it had all my chemicals in it. Exterior is just going to be the same one that's always been. I'm going to clean it out too because I'm doing that right now. Because you can see even my interior one right here had some stuff in it. So I want to get that one cleaned out too. I especially want to get that one cleaned out because that's the one that has paint towels. Getting stuff in the towels that go on your paint is a guaranteed way to scratch your paint, and I don't want to scratch my paint. And there we go, it's all clean. Okay, those have gone up there. I've stuck my 2 swirl killers in there and the pads over there and all my gallons on the bottom, which means it's now time to figure out what I'm doing with all my chemicals, my crates, and my buckets. So the other thing I'm going to do while I'm in here is deal with that. Because I have a bunch of new things in there that I haven't had a chance to deal with yet. So dealing with them is going to be a good thing. Like these are all the chemicals I normally use on a daily, and I got a couple replacements, like you see the 3 waterless washes right there and all that. But also I got some new things like the 2 leather cleaner and the upholstery cleaner and all that. So I'm going to just nozzle those, put those somewhere in here, and then put the spares down there. Like this buckets. Ow. Buckets are good right there. Hello, that just fell and that really hurt. You run on your side. Check it out, they gave me a little red strip cap for my strip wash this time. They didn't do that last time. That's very nice of them. I realized why they didn't do that last time. It doesn't fit. Wonderful. I might have too much stuff because I've had to put the bucket up there because it's too big to fit in with that. I could maybe, actually maybe I can put the bucket on top. I might do that actually, that might fit. But this is all my stuff that I frequently use, and that's the stuff I infrequently use. That's gonna need to be reworked so it's less hogging space. And this needs an entire rework because I haven't even reached that yet. Also, I still have this many nozzles, this is just a ridiculous number of nozzles. Progress update, it's been about 20 minutes and I've slowly figured out what I want to do, but I still have all those left. And all my dirty towels I have to figure out what I'm going to do with. Maybe that goes in there and dirty towels can go up there or something? There are nails up there. Okay, I think I might have gotten this figured out. Let me walk you through my setup. Down here, we have my extra gallons as well as a gallon of motor oil and some windshield cleaner. Here is our, just my excess. So every time I run out up here, I can swap it with something from down there if I don't have gallons of it. Like detail spray. I have a lot of detail spray. I also have my wheels. It's been focused on my hand this entire time. So my wheel cleaner and my as well as all my exceptional amount of nozzles. Here is my coating and like my deep clean stuff. Like, so swirl killers, waxes, ceramic coatings, strip wash, iron remover, stuff that I don't do every single time. This side is my interior detailer. There's my exterior towels, which are not actually sorted right now because there's exterior towels in all of these. Bad system. Bad system before. Bucket has my soaps and stuff in it. I have my wash mitts and stuff. I think I'm gonna pull my soaps out and put them out here and just keep the wash mitts in there because that seems like a good spot for those. Garden gloss over there, never tried it, will try it. Behind I have a fresh drying towel, and then I'm gonna figure out what I'm gonna do with my drying towels, like how I'm gonna hang them. I might get like a little, if I get a hook here I can hang the drying towels here so that when I close it, they're still drying. Because it's got the little vents in the back so it won't like get humid in there. Maybe that'll work, that'd be smart. I come up with ideas when I speak out loud. But yes, this makes sense in my brain. Oh, and then I have my detailing light there just because it's magnetic and it's cool. Maybe I should put it on the back. Magnetic light. I'm gonna forget that's there. I'm gonna put it there so I can see it. There we go. Lights. Yeah, I think this works for now. As I change things, y'all will see it progress slowly towards more and more madness. And this is how it's gonna start. We're gonna see how dirty it gets after like the first 3 or 4 details. Oh, I've worked it around again. I have pulled the Mega Foam and car shampoo out and stuck them in the corner. So I have just my foam cannon and mitts in there, and everything else is the same. That makes a bit more sense in my head. But I think that's everything in this case. And I think the absolute best part of this, hello reflection, is that it locks, or not that lock, it does lock. I don't care that it locks. Let me grab the keys for it. I don't think I need to lock it because I don't, those should not go in there. Oops. But the important thing is that it closes to keep my stuff protected from the elements and not like getting all nasty. Okay, I think that effectively wraps up today's video. I hope you all liked it. If you did, please make sure to like, comment, subscribe, ring the little bell. It just helps out the channel, helps keep you guys notified of whenever I upload next. I think in the next one, I should be making those prawns. It might not be the next one. It will be soon. It will be very, very soon. It depends basically on what my schedule looks like over the coming week. Those are for sure going on before Cars and Coffee next weekend because those wheels look better than those wheels and those are much more comfortable to drive on than those. And so those are going on for sure, maybe Monday. I don't know if I'll film it. I probably will because I didn't film those because it was just an emergency. Crap, it's snowing. I need to put those on. But those will be going on soon. Potentially bronze before. And yeah. So, like I said, I think that wraps this up. So until next time, a goodbye.